Model, 65-plate Ford Transit 350L3 diesel rear-wheel drive 2.2 TDCi 125ps H2 van clean spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 128635. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2 125ps TDCI-J. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Headgaskets need replacing. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, part service history, 2 keys, air con, parking sensors, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.